So today we're working on the electrics again. We're cleaning out the switches. So these switches are push-pull type. So when you pull them down, the contacts back here make contact, and there's a set of contacts on either side of the switch. So after they sit for 20 years without being used, they get what Phil refers to as patina. There's little bits of corrosion on either side of the switch. So we're going to clean all that out on all of these switches today to get them all working. So what we have to do is we've got a piece of emery paper. We're going to put it behind the switch on one side, engage the switch, slide it through. We're going to have to do that a number of times on both sides of the switch on both surfaces, because there's a top and bottom surface. So I've got myself some emery paper that's cut nice and thin, and we're going to work all the circuits that we need for the lights to work to get home. So that's probably going to be an hour or two of screwing about, and I'll report back, let you know how it went.